and streamers and things. Oh my! Whoa! Mel B!
You two are just like lightning bolts. As soon as you come on the stage, you light everything up. You are brilliant dancers. I love your synergy between each other. And you, young lady, those facial expressions get me time after time after time. I loved it and I love the song. Well done.
Heidi, what are you thinking?
I think that the two of you are an explosion of talent. And you put me in the best mood. You put the biggest smile on my face. I love watching you two perform. I love it. Thank you.
Okay, now it's time to ask Papa. Simon, what you think?
Well, you know what? I have never been a massive fan of these two, but what you did tonight, again, on the... Why are you booing? I haven't even started talking yet. I thought it was a step up. You, sir, in particular, I mean, I've never seen anything like that from you again. I don't think your partner's going to be very happy with you when they watch it back, because you did steal a little bit more of the limelight. But I tell you what was good, it was a step up, which is what we expect at this stage from the performances we've seen before, so well done.
And Howie?
Yeah, you know, I think what you brought is what we want, and I would imagine, I'm not in everybody's living room in America, but everybody, I would imagine you put a huge smile on people's face because you are a joy, you are adorable, and that's why we like being part of this show. Only a few people are going through tonight, so it's going to be really tough, but you put a smile on her face, and we all love watching you.
So, Paige, everybody is so happy and the audience was jamming and dancing. How you feeling right now?
Great, and I'm really thankful that I get to be here at the live shows of America's Got Talent in front of these amazing judges.
Oh, look at that. Give me one of those facial expressions. Woo! Okay, good luck to both of you guys. Yeah, and if you want to vote for these two, vote online at NBC.com or use the AGT app.